Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2019 19 plate Mini Cooper S Sport. Now this is a lovely car, finished in this lovely blue metallic paintwork. We've got a full exterior black package on the vehicle, lovely carbon fibre pack as well. This is a very well specified vehicle. Lovely car, you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. All the bodywork, the panels, the alloys, the tyres, inside, it's all in very nice order. We've got LED daytime running lights. Now, a black package, obviously, so you've got the black detailing round the headlamps, black detailing round the centre grille, then you've got the gloss black band which runs all around the windows. Carbon fibre package, so mirror caps finished in lovely carbon fibre. Then we've got the handles there as well, also finished in carbon fibre. Nice colour coded side skirts. We're riding on John Cooper Works style alloy wheels. We've got the nice Union Jack style rear tail lamps, dual exhaust, nice colour coordinated lower diffuser, more carbon fibre on the grab handle. Nice sporty spoiler with little extensions looking through to the boot. Parcel shelf is present, split folding rear seats. Down here you'll find your tyre inflation kit and your lock-in wheel nut. Carbon fibre on your fuel cap, and then jumping inside you'll find even more lovely details. John Cooper Works kick plates, John Cooper Works style bucket seats. So we've got the John Cooper Works detailing all throughout the car, so on the seats, also on the steering wheel. So we've got this lovely contrasting red stitch which goes all throughout the car. Tailored floor mats, automatic lights and wipers. We've got voice command, we've got cruise control, speed limiter. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 40,269 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. More carbon fibre, so as you can tell the carbon fibre, nice piece of carbon fibre there as well, and then where there isn't carbon, you've got the gloss black detailing. Big centre screen, on there we've got our media and radio communication, mini services, that's all on there. Service history on the car is very impressive. So we've got all the service history on the iDrive system there, all the dates and mileages, that's all photographed as well. We've got climate control with air conditioning, traction control, automatic stop start, you've got your USB down there, 6-speed manual transmission, centre scroll wheel and the buttons around it for the media. And then just looking back of these seats, there are lovely hardback sort of style seat. Rear seats look like they've barely been sat in. You've got Isofix in the bottom for your child seats, cup holders all round, but a lovely car. These cars are great fun to drive. They're just over 190 horsepower, coupled with that silky smooth manual box. It's an absolute delight going up and down the gearbox on these. Very responsive vehicles, and whenever you take it out, it's just going to put a smile on your face. So if you'd like anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.